Hi guys, my name is Andrew and I'm the house manager here at Cafenated Coffee Co. Today we're going to go over how to make a pour over. Some of the things you're going to need are some hot water, cups, coffee, and a pour over set. The coffee that we're working with is Pure, our second lightest roast profile. That being said, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is place your coffee grounds in the coffee filter as evenly as you can. Today I'm using about 20 grams or 4 tablespoons of coffee for about 8 ounces of hot water. What's also important is the grind size of your coffee. If you're getting your coffee ground at a grocery store, be sure to set the dial on a 4. That'll make sure your coffee comes out for a perfect pour over set. All right, now that all the coffee is in the filter, we're gonna wanna bloom the coffee. So basically what we'll do is pour a little bit of hot water on top of the coffee grounds just so that it can breathe a little bit. And we'll wanna let the coffee wait for about 30 to 40 seconds before we actually start brewing. Now that we've let the coffee sit for about 30 to 40 seconds, we can actually begin to brew the coffee. Something to keep in mind when we're pouring the water is that we want to do it in an even, consistent, and spiral fashion throughout the length of our pour, which is going to be about 3 to 4 minutes. Something else to keep in mind is we don't want the water to rise above the top fourth of the filter that you're working with. Now, once you've finished pouring all of your water, just be sure to let all that hot water run through the coffee grounds that you have so that it finishes entering the cup, and then you can enjoy an awesome hot cup of coffee. And so if you guys have enjoyed this video, please give us a like on social media, maybe a follow on our account. That way we'll know that you guys enjoyed this content so we can continue making it for you in the future.